This video chart presentation of Fancamp Exploration brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Fancamp trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker FNC. This chart caught my eye immediately. I sailed this in to get a little bit closer of a view. This 9-month chart. If you take this back over a year, you'd see a very strong channel from around 36 cents up to right around here, around 60, 62 cents, I think was the top for over a year now. Trading in that channel, nice oscillation back and forth. Recently making higher lows, putting together an ascending triangle kind of look to it over the last several months. So I want to take a look at these lower indicators and see if they're telling us anything about a stronger move. Still see overall a great uptrend, following right along with the price per share. About ready to get a bullish cross again of the histogram for both the PPO and the MACD. That's a bullish cross of the signal lines. ADX got up a little high, up around 50, retraced. Right now sitting in a fine position, still down, about ready to break back up. That break above 30 puts you into a true trend. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. That price per share can take out that top, especially if it's accompanied by volume. ADX breaking into a strong trend, some bullish crosses of some longer term indicators. Very, very strong look this chart could take on. MFIs, definitely been on a downtrend. We'll track that gold line through there. Looks like the 14 and 21 now we're trying to reverse course. Of course, the 7 got strong here recently, up around 80. We'll probably look for a little bit of a pullback. Hopefully see those meet somewhere around 65, 70. What's important is this 14 and 21 getting and holding and trending over 50. Great uptrend in the accumulation distribution. We're looking for that to take out this high on that little line right there. Continue a strong uptrend. Taking money flow is a bit of a concern. I don't like to see a negative divergence. I certainly want to see it hold over zero, show that buying pressure is still overcoming selling pressure. But it's a good case in TA to understand how accumulation distribution and taking money flow are formulated similarly. The taking money flow based off the accumulation distribution. But why it's important sometimes to have them together, because you can see they give you two different signals. So let's keep an eye on this taking money flow. What we want to see is it roll back around and break through that channel that it's in. Still keep this in this very strong uptrend. CCI holding above zero now at this point. Little uptrend before it shot through it. Great look to it. You want to see it trading at that upper end. Full still, also a strong move. Looks like it's about ready to break through 50. We want to see this sort of pattern back to it. And if it's going to break out, potentially we want to see that even continue on for a little bit longer of a period to put together a lot of momentum into the chart. We talk about always wanting to see uptrends in the tricks, and there you can see it. I'd like to see this tricks make a higher high the next time it comes through. Make it through that area. RSI is very nice position. Yeah, you can see a little bit of uptrend to the 7. See that 14 and 21, those red and gold lines riding right around 50. Now it's broken through 50. You can see they can get very strong. There's the breakthrough 50 earlier, right through that area. Chart continued. Charts can get very bullish when the longer term RSIs get through 50. This chart, which is of course scaled in, importance of it is bottom, higher low, higher low. Very nice look to it. Like I say, if you scaled back farther, you'd see a very strong channel. And there's what we're looking for as a top. You can see 3 times off of it. If you go back a little bit farther, you'll see 61, 62, all in the same area. Been a very tough spot for it to penetrate. Nice gains from where it is, still put about 20%. 140,000 shares traded, closed at 53. See a little bit of increase in volume. I didn't look at the share structure on this. We're heading right into the holidays now. Christmas is only a couple days away. So we'll look for volume to even stay somewhat strong going into this to show that there's really true buying pressure, because a lot of traders are on vacation right now, to be honest. But also important to note, trading now over all the moving averages, especially this blue line and the red line, the 50 and 200 day. Bullish charts are trading over top of those. That's what we want to see. We want to see these Bollinger Bands make their oscillation again. See how they're trending down through here. They turn, they head upward. The price per share rides right along that upper Bollinger Band. Same sort of thing we're going to be looking for here. With the volume push, we'll be looking for this to take out the top. If it does, it should have a substantial move above and beyond that. So this is a chart I really think is worth keeping an eye on at this point. See if it keeps holding these movement averages. See if it can get up here and test near this 60. On the bottom side, of course, I put a very bottom support all the way down there, but that's way too far away for a stop loss. My eyes would be widened if it couldn't hold 48. And a very bottom for me would probably be right there around 47. About a 10% move downward if it can't hold. Trying to minimize losses. Should get some more support pretty strong down here around 43 based on some historics back through this area. But if it can't hold this 50-day, starts to struggle with price per share support, it certainly should pull some more support from that 200-day moving average. My eyes would be widening a little bit, looking forward to maybe come down here, hit this trend line, but probably a pretty significant dip if it can't hold 47. But right now I'm actually looking at this as having more potential upside. Indicators are pretty bullish. Now we keep an eye on FNC and seeing where this chart leads. As always, annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and or within this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.